Every snow management company has to deal with the inevitable slip and fall claims that come along with this work. One of the ways that we feel that we can really mitigate some of that risk is to be able to ensure that our sidewalks especially are being cleaned through and through. Sauers Snow and Ice Management is a family-owned, mid-sized business that works to manage snow maintenance throughout the greater Philadelphia region. It's very challenging to find laborers, especially for things like sidewalk work. People love to stay in trucks, they love to plow, but it's hard to get people to take care of sidewalks. We kind of pride ourselves on our technical processes. So not only do we onboard our team really well with setting up standard operation procedures for snow removal or for salt usage, but we also require mobile technology and interaction between all of our service providers and also with our clients. So we'd like to think that we are on the cutting edge of technology as it relates to snow removal. So Ventrac offers what we think is the best sidewalk care and just fulfills that perfectly. Whether it's a brush or whether you're putting a blade on the top of that sidewalk, where it might be 5 or 6 or 7 shovelers, now you're just one guy, one gal on a Ventrac pushing sidewalks. And to me, that makes our teams all that much better.